Today, I will be putting two powerful tools head to head, ChatGPT and Duolingo. Which one will dominate in the world of language learning? Let's find out. There are so many apps for learning a language. I chose Duolingo. I'm sure many of you already know this popular app. Duolingo is a language learning app. It offers interactive lessons, quizzes, and challenges to help you master a new language. Duolingo provides structured lessons with a variety of exercises to keep you engaged. Now, let's talk about ChatGPT. Learning a language with ChatGPT is like having a virtual language partner available 24/7. Let's see what it can do. Can you help me learn some English vocabulary related to food?
Absolutely. Here are some common English vocabulary words related to food. 1. Appetizer. A small dish served before the main meal to stimulate the appetite. 2. Main course. The primary dish of a meal. 3. Side dish. A smaller portion of food served alongside the main course. 4. Dessert. A sweet course served at the end of a meal. 5. Ingredients. The foods that are combined to make a dish.
Thank you, ChatGPT. I really respect you. You never know, in case AI takes over the world.
Thank you for your kind words. Rest assured, I'm here to help and make your life easier, not take over the world.
Now that we have seen what both ChatGPT and Duolingo have to offer, let's compare their strengths and weaknesses. Duolingo is pretty simple. It has a user-friendly interface that makes language learning engaging and easy. You can learn languages on Duolingo completely free, and for some features you need to pay. The platform uses gamification elements like points, levels, and rewards to motivate learners to make the progress enjoyable. Now, let's talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT can provide you with some conversational practice in the language you are learning. Can you ask me a question and test my level of English?
Sure, here's a question for you. What do you think is the most challenging aspect of learning English?
I would say grammar.
That's a common challenge. English grammar can be complex. Here's another question. How do you usually practice your English skills?
I watch tutorials, I learn vocabulary, and read books.
That's a great approach to improving your English skills.
Like, if you make mistakes or have a hard time expressing something, ChatGPT can correct you and provide suggestions in real time, helping you to learn from your mistakes. Is this sentence grammatically correct? I go gym.
The sentence I go is technically correct grammatically, but it is incomplete. It needs an object or a place to go to make sense. For example, I go to the store or I go home.
What about I go gym?
I go gym is not grammatically correct. It should be I go to the gym.
Why do we have to put the preposition to?
In English, the preposition to is used before a place or destination when talking about movement towards that place. It indicates the direction or goal of the action. In the sentence, I go to the gym specifies where the person is going.
Personalized learning. ChatGPT can adapt to your level and learning style. It can provide tailored exercises, explanations, and examples based on your specific needs and preferences. Overall, Duolingo is an effective language learning platform for beginners. It may lack the depth and complexity needed for more advanced language proficiency. Some users criticize Duolingo for overemphasizing translation exercises, which may not reflect real life. The platform's focus on writing, reading, and listening exercises means there is limited speaking practice, which is crucial for language fluency. Their learning approach relies heavily on pattern recognition and repetition. In my opinion, Duolingo is not a complete solution for learning a language.
What specific English vocabulary related to what topic would you like to learn about?
Meet vocabulary.
Absolutely. Here are some common vocabulary words related to meetings. 1. Agenda. A list of items.
Sometimes ChatGPT's response may contain errors. Relying just on ChatGPT may cause misunderstandings. ChatGPT is not a real human. It lacks empathy and understanding that a real person can provide. As a result, sometimes conversations may feel less authentic and may not fully simulate real-life conversations. In summary, learning a language with ChatGPT offers convenience, personalized learning experience, and immediate feedback, which is crucial for learning a language. But it also has some limitations, such as lack of human interaction and potential errors. Integrating ChatGPT into your language learning can definitely help you to maximize and improve your language skills. While ChatGPT shines in conversational practice and personalized learning, Duolingo puts focus on its structured lessons and gamified approach. So which one is the winner? Well, it really depends on your learning style and your preferences. If you enjoy interactive conversations and personalized learning, ChatGPT might be a perfect fit for you. But if you prefer structured lessons and gamified challenges, Duolingo could be your go-to language learning companion. In my opinion, with Duolingo, you would need to follow Duolingo's curriculum. But with ChatGPT, you can ask any question you want, whenever you want. It's more of a free flow. The thing is, you would need to learn how ChatGPT works, which involves prompting. By the way, I have a video explaining the difference between a good and a bad prompt. You can use a free version of ChatGPT, which is pretty decent. And remember, there is no one-size-fits-all approach for language learning. The key is to find tools and methods that work best for you. If you choose Duolingo or ChatGPT, or even combination of both, keep practicing, never give up on your language learning journey. If I would need to pick up a new language, I would choose Duolingo for a couple of weeks and then slowly move towards using ChatGPT. Alright, that's it folks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and happy learning. See you next time.